Sehlukweni sa chapter 13 verses 1 kuya ku9 le kusona besikhuluma nge-foolishness of nature, the foolishness of nature worship. Bazalwane, phambi kokuthi kumbe singaqala ngesifundvo sethu, sithi verse number 1, anyone who does not know God is simply foolish. Such people look at all the good things around them and still fail to see the living things. They have studied the things He made, but they have not recognized the one who made them. Instead, they suppose that the gods who rule the world are fire or wind or storm, or the circling stars or rushing water, or the heavenly bodies. Bazalwane, siyakhumbula ukuthi uNkulunkulu ekuqaleni wadala izulu nemhlaba ngelive lakhe. Kukhona lokho ukuthi bese mhlambe labafunzile mhlambe ngelimi lanamhlanje bangathi ma scientists nalabanye angathi bangabithi bayibita abathengi babese bathi konke lokhu kwentiwa kube inature konje ngelive lenhlakaniphile wisdom uNkulunkulu uyaconfirma nalancwadini eapocrypha ku-wisdoms uyaconfirma ngalesifundo sanamhlanje sisekuqala bazalwane kuthi nje usengaphazamiseki nanoba bangakhuluma ngoba kukho aveke ukuthi bese basebenzisa lwakhe ngendlela lithi thing. Amen bazalwane.
Amen.
People were so delighted with the beauty of those kings that they thought they must be gods, but they should have realized that those kings have a master, and he is much greater than all of them, for he is the creator of beauty, and he created them. Since people are amazed at the power of these things and how they behave, they ought to learn from them that their maker is far more powerful. When they realize how vast and beautiful the creation is, we are learning about the creator at the same time. Gafishane bazalwane simo kule sifundo sethu lesanamuhla sithola inhlakanipho bazalwane uNkulunkulu wembula urevela indzaba yokuthi konke lokudaliwe nje kwavela ngaye akukhathalelekile ukuthi bangakubona kanjani emehlweni abo ngoba abantu mhlambe babe carried away ngendlela sitheni ngapheceleki base mase babona timvu bese batibona ngendlela batibona ngayo kanti konke lokho kububuhle baNkulunkulu buhle benda uNkulunkulu indala yaNkulunkulu lebabatekayo basala. But maybe we are too harsh with those people. After all, they may have really wanted to find God, but couldn't. They may really wanted to find God, but couldn't. Ngiyabonga bazalwane ngaleli verse number 6. Ngoba sibuyela kulesifundo sayitolo sekuthi iwisdom mhlawumbe itolo namathanda. Iwisdom itoba ngakho ukuthi sikhone kubabekedelela nalabo labangakhanyiseleyo. Bakhona ngoba mhlambe bona abakakatholi lelifuba. They may have really wanted to find God but couldn't. Abakalithola lelifuba lekumthola lo Nkulunkulu. Konje ngelive lenhlakanipho mase kufike le wisdom nathi lento ebhazalwane letifundwe sifundwa imihla nemalanga. Sesiyakhona lokho ukuthi sibabeketelele nabo sibancikise siba accommodate ngoba nabo abakalithola lokhanya. Abakatholi le opportunity yokuthola lo Nkulunkulu. Amen. Surrounded by God's way, they keep on looking at them until they are finally convinced that because these things they see are so beautiful, they must be gods. But still, these people really have no excuse if they had enough intelligence. So speculate about the nature of the universe. Why did they never fail? Never find the Lord of all things. Bagafishane bazalwane encwadini esifundweni sethu sanamuhla lesithathele lesibhalwe ngehypocrisy encwadini yewisdom uNkulunkulu uvela ngelive lenhlakanipho sithola iwisdom ukuthi labanye abantu abakakhanyiseleki ngoba kuhle ukuthi sibabeketelele mhlambe sibeketelane nabo si understand ukuthi abakayithola wisdom. Amen bazalwane.
Amen.
Sifundo sethu sesibili lesithathelwe kuba seRoma chapter 13 bazalwane sisenzaweni yethando sisafunzeka nje asifunzile make Dlamini make Lamyeni bazalwane ngibona indzaba yelithambo ichubeka ikhonsa namuhla njengoba itolo besikhuluma ngendzaba yelithambo make sibonga kakhulu kuma Dlamini unkosikazi Malangeni elokishiphe kakhuluma ngendzaba yelithambo namuhla kukhulunywa nje ngendzaba yelithambo namhlanje kulamalanga ngendzaba yelithambo ne-wisdom iyabuya kulesifundo sesibili ngoba evesini lekuqala wonke umuntu kufanele atitfobe ngenhlonipho tiphathe imandla tembuso ngenhlonipho tiphathe imandla tembuso ngobe kude emandla embuso langaveli kuNkulunkulu naleto tiphathe imandla letikhona ibekwe nguNkulunkulu. Sisaqala encwadzini yethu ye-wisdom mfundisi sengibuyele esifundweni sekuqala emalangeni adlulile sithole ukuthi i-wisdom inhlakanipho ihambisana ne-obedience. Loyo obedient lovunywa ukuthi akhaliwe arebukiwe uhlakanipho uwise lo namhlanje ngifuna ukuthi sibitelwe ekwenteni lokuhle ngaso sonke isikhathi ngobe usisebenzisa uNkulunkulu nebaholi nebabusi nemaleaders uNkulunkulu asibekele wona emhlabeni eveni kuma communities emisebenzini etikolweni enzaweni ehlukahlukene ukukhonda uNkulunkulu ukuthi sibe obedient sibalalele singoba kubalalela uNkulunkulu ngoba lithi le living tiphathe imandla tembuso ngobe kude emandla embuso langaveli kuNkulunkulu naleto tiphathe imandla letikhona tibekwe nguNkulunkulu lokho kufanele ukuthi silalela uNkulunkulu yena ngelicobo lakhe. Amen.
Amen.
Ngakho ke umuntu akatitfobe ngenhlonipho hayi ngobe abelekela ulaka lwaNkulunkulu bazalwane kuphela kodwa nangebucofu banembeza ngoba sisahamba lesifundo sisasifunza ngidawuzama ukubamfisha lesifundo lethu senamhla selithambo ngoba sethu sasibase Roma ngoba make lana usetawusuka umete ngaphambili ukulamalanga wangathi ifundo lethu idambela kakhulu ngalanga selithambeni bazalwane lolithambo lokufuna ngathi singalibonakalisa sisaphila namhlanje sibantu balapha kaNkulunkulu ngobe kunenzaba yanembeza lefike yangisiza kakhulu lana asasifunza make Lamyeni lesifundo sethu sesibili lapho khona lapha kubase Roma chapter 18 livesi number 5. Ngakho ke umuntu akatitfobe ngenhlonipho hayi ngobe abalekela ulaka lwaNkulunkulu kepha kodwa nangebucotho banembeza ungaso leso sizathu nithela nje letiphatha imandla letitisebenti taNkulunkulu ngetaloko njengobe titinikela emsebentini wakhe bonke banikeni lokufanele umthetho kulofanele umthetho inkokhelo kulofanele kukhokhelwa mesabeni lofanele kwesatshwa nihloniphe lofanele kuhlonishwa. Bazalwane la ngiyatsinzeka lenzaba yokuthi sinike lokumele kufanele usinike ngibuya kulendzaba ngikhumula ethi give Caesar what belongs to Caesar ngoba kuhle bazalwane ukuthi sihambe ngekwelive laNkulunkulu makumele kuyinhlakanipho futhi kulithambo laNkulunkulu ukuthi sente lokumiswa uNkulunkulu nalokumele sikwenze bazalwane ngitsindwa indzaba yethanza makhelwane lapha kuvesi lefu lelithi mhlambe verse number 8 lelithi ningagoledi umuntu noma seyini ngaphandle kokuthi nithanzane ngobe lo lothanza makhelwane wakhe sewugcwasile umthetho. Bazalwane ngicela ningivumele bathandekayo ngihlale phansi ngoba mangathi ngithinza indzaba yethando cha bazalwane mina sengayishiya kumake inkosikazi Malangeni indzaba ethambusi kiyo kulamalanga indzaba lebaleke kakhulu indzaba ethanza makhelwane ngidawushiya inkosi imbusise.